Look at this biscotti, guys, gluten-free and dairy-free. How did I make it? Let's go ahead and take a look at the video. Okay, first step, I got 3 cups of almond flour going in. Then I got about half a cup of roasted almonds and pistas. Any nuts will do for this as well. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now for the wet ingredients, I got half a cup of maple syrup going in, half a cup of avocado oil in place of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Almond extract is good as well. 2 tablespoons of flaxseed mixed with warm water, and this is in place of 2 large eggs. Next, I will add my wet ingredients to my dry ingredients, and I'm going to give this a stir. Okay, next I'm going to put this mixture over here on 2 loaves, and you will see how I do. Okay, now these are the loaves. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven at 325, and I'm going to put this for 20 minutes. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. It's looking and smelling really good. And I'm just going to let it sit here for 15 minutes to let it cool down, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut this and put it back in the oven for 20 minutes. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes. I'm just going to go ahead and cut the biscotti. I flipped the biscotti over, and now I'm going to throw it in the oven for another 20 minutes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. It's been 20 minutes on each side, so 40 minutes in total, and it's looking nice and crunchy. This biscotti is a perfect balance of crunch and flavor, lightly sweet, nutty, and it's just so good, irresistible. Thank you for watching this, guys. Don't forget to give this a like and subscribe for more gluten-free, dairy-free, and tomato-free recipes. And have a great day.